Ligier, with a decade of unmatched experience in crafting detection equipment and testing instruments, emerges as a leader in the realm of environmental monitoring solutions. Our dedication to providing high-quality, high-performance instruments has solidified our position as a premier manufacturer in the industry. Our journey encompasses the research, development, and sales of innovative detection devices, always with a focus on excellence and customer satisfaction. Our strategic partnerships with major companies in the United States have allowed us to deliver bespoke testing instruments that address a spectrum of environmental challenges. Among our offerings is the Multifunctional Vehicle Air Quality Monitor, a state-of-the-art solution designed to ensure the well-being of vehicle occupants by continuously monitoring air quality. Xer's OEM manufacturing services are tailored to meet the unique needs of businesses seeking to incorporate advanced air quality monitoring into their product portfolio. Our low-volume OEM customization options provide the flexibility to create products that align with your specific requirements, ensuring that your offerings are distinctive and cater to the demands of the market. To explore the potential of our multifunctional vehicle air quality monitor and to discuss how we can tailor our manufacturing capabilities to your needs, please do not hesitate to reach out. Contact us through the email on my profile page, and let's collaborate on a journey toward healthier environments and innovative solutions. Your vision, combined with our expertise, can lead to groundbreaking products that make a real difference.